Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to buy gems in Brawl Stars without credit card. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see in the top left corner, there's this option called shop. Here you will have to find the gems. So you just have to scroll on the right. Just keep scrolling until you find the gems. As you can see here are the gem packs. So if you want 30 gems you can click this one. If you want 80, 170, there are a bunch of options here. I would suggest you to go with if you can afford, like with this one. Okay, so let's say I'm buying this gem here. So if I don't wanna pay with credit card, I have 4 other options available. I can also pay with UPI or Paytm wallet or net banking, or I can also pay via Google gift card. So if you have Google Play gift card, you can just simply put the code here, or you can also pay with your bank, but that's a difficult route. You can also pay with your UPI if you have Google Pay, it will show here. So just put your, okay, so as you can see it has Google Pay and other UPI options.